Hi, in this video I will tell you how to use iVoice for YouTube videos. In this video we are going to look at how you can change your voice. Best of all, it's completely free. I put the link in the description. You can check and head to the website. Once you land on the website, click on the text that say download Voicemod for free. Connect the Gmail ID to Voicemod. Click on the download. Once you finished installation, you landed on the interface of Voicemod. If you want additional voice, you scroll down below. Here you see all the different premium voice that are available. Before we start playing with some of these voices, on the voice box screen you see all different voices you get free for Voicemod. My internet connection is very weak, so the voice template is not showing. To use these voice, you simply click on it. Now this voice is active. If you want to listen the voice down in the bottom corner, here you can turn on the button. I can turn it off. Here I can hear my own voice.
It's not a game, it's a